Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard review. TrafficGuard and Altrooz. Altrooz is a mobile marketing company with a passion for building leading-edge technology. Founded in 2012, Altrooz began with a mission to solve marketing challenges for brands and agencies in the ever-changing mobile landscape. With integration options built specifically for marketing technology companies, TrafficGuard's real-time ad fraud prevention integrated seamlessly with Altrooz's proprietary platform to exceed client advertising performance, deliver high-value user acquisition, and maximize engagements. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.